Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Nia notification bell no so for more news. Ghana Fubi eno mo atoto amane Appiah Studium left right center ayenya asem keto akra. Omo sem omo keina ne se Appiah Studium se bioja ijimi no na adoso. Sika kakra omanpanida da John Dramani Mahama de maunti okasa rough aden na nyeti Ghana for ekekomo adwen ede echre Appiah Stadium na ene se endra election e course ewo kumawu no Appiah Stadium ekupi ho na de ensem bi tudwa ensem na omu de enye Appiah Stadium ne se mo Kenya ne se obedi eye vice president Dr. Bawumia anaso be support ne de ankasebio odeba kotena toilet ano na omanpeni his excellency na nado danko akufado nso abon na Ghana Fubi akekomadwen de ache na do fumi nkasa nche ne ntie nsema Appiah Stadium ede etudwa
me support Dr. Bawumia anase na nado de there be no say nka me akota to Zak Giska eti why you are not fair to me.
Okay,
ebe me fele kwa say me be say me nim aban oboss na na akufado onim ohunu kwa na ode ache onim hwe wa abamum oti me ka say me kwa IMF akwaje IMF ska ba na ubose abresika na Mahama woku IMF mo say wabon kwasi che ni minia abronye ka say abai obekọ IMF no abodam eti na say IMF ska ba na mo bose a na be ka kire be say me kan kura me bo yam na say Appiah sare we ni pa bonefo me nanya pipi ni mu na me wala be firi ho Mahama da ro ma be hunu kanea be hunu han na bi wo han mu ana me kosum mu kese ebe tabu kura ana papa no wupe ada wo like it or not Mahama eba power obetu abambone aba kodi awuo aba efire ni pani se oti wa mpiti wo pesika ya kwan wa maroko wuwie ya no abegu akwan sa aba we yeso so eti gba bi te gobi oba bi asabi me kasenti aba o me ya ma ana apart from that minimum o me ya manjofo me no me na support MPP ana Mahama iti ede so da epa ama me hunu kanea ehunu sa mamu difference room
ebusuafo ye na yate ensema Appiah Stadium ede etudwa na Ghana fo etrese dabi uni kasa krante ne atemdidi ebe wusua je ensem sei na Ghana fo ede etudwa we eye Samuel Chum Esien na otrese kwasi ampanyi ni sei Jimmy fo bi sei abuo dwan abusuafo na atemni asanketo akora and we so HSA you and that your unvisionary Mahama are useless. Stop your stupidity. Look at Bawumia. Are you his class? And when so Anthony and HSA that man don't know anything because of stomach. And when so Samuel Chum wasanso baby okay natem didi na and when so Charles and I just say because of you NDC will go to opposition again I swear and when so Kwabena and I just say Seattle Appiah Stadium or Appiah then empty barrel make the most noise and when so too much love and I just say good evening. Freedom of speech is the problem the country is facing now. So disgusting. And when so candy and what say stomach Appiah Stadium. Okay, intino and a man for a command the actual Appiah Stadium pomo HSA. On your study. Now James who now would you know. Into SMC and a Ghana for a day ama Appiah Stadium as reply.
Utie fitting in quad brim and in yame bone ding. A friend no me kai sometime bi na all kasa na all kabra na yakoda na one ye kwaje Ghana si ho enkroma no ne ade ye kira na ye meetings e wo papa fie na me tie some of the stories say yi JB dan kwa no ne ade omuso no mu na o mafa no na o de na tena o manan so even at that tender age God has already prepared, said this guy called Kweku Dankwa is going to become something. So I will let him start mingling with people of such. I will let him start mingling with people of such. You share a lifestyle. Maybe go school or Ghana. So me kai Ghana social studies books. Ye kai say William Eden Oforiata, ye kai hwan, ye can kai woman na Ekufuado papa, no womb. Ekufuado papa, na okasa squad no. So don't ever think, especially those who are always attacking Ekufuado no, don't ever think say ye nipe bi keke no wo. De bia sister Cynthia ya na me ka say me say me nsuro me nkan ka me ka say papa no ye bosom say ye som no. Seriously. Say nye suro na me suro me kan na me pese eja me de ne be equate sebe ya bosom na anka me ka say papa we udi ni gina wo say bosom a qualify. Because look at the incentrene udi ehwene am a wafam from losing your first wife. Na no so no eyi sebe abodanfo group bi aka bom na ye di tinsamfon de nim ni na ye ka de to papa yi so ensu nyankopon ama papa we wa ma na anye worry de ayede ye no de ayekeka fra no ni nara no Ekufuado have stayed resolute. Na me de na me dwene say anka after several attempts, me sana me try na mean to me, chale mean to me, forget, try the fofro. But it is sad, say, they try this man, and the more they try him, the more he shames them, and they don't see that. Meaning why? Obia, why you not doing say, what do you Ekufuado be dia grow, wo be dim tro dia to Ekufuado so ni na Ghana for mama yen show ma brabo. And I make us say Toronto for more among can their ACA I will be no with him. Now my imagine say men kasa be crab, but one kasa Toronto for amona mo amokwa bonti amuniama, mo amunim their ACA, and you will be nese be catch. We have to know, say, God made certain people for a certain purpose. God, He made certain people for certain purpose. And if you are not smart and wise enough, and you try to fight against what God is trying to establish, you would always be disgraced. You would always be disgraced, and disgrace comes with punishment, shame. Nana do dan kwa abudani Ekufuado na onam wono me say onye normal sa amamu hu ne say okaye nkrofo e bi ho onye the type of John Mahama there be onye John Mahama type ni bi no no the president that's what work as because we need president that there be. Let us be careful. Let us be careful. Because here mama nchira wa there Obia wedi tro edi ato na nado so because so di benya bibi asa de ni ngina ntina me se de ekoso Toronto no mo betumi akata mani bataye re o mo betumi fake ba se Nyankopon ka se no dia wo ye ne nye na metwe waso obetwe waso Mr. Befi, just so somebody can get their partner to Canada. Just so obi benya ne pa obenya ska dia sponsor bentino yes yanko kase na nado a sponsor state robbery ya the state apparatus